bicycles are broken or menaced by international communism, Bicycle Repairman is ready. Ready to smash the communists, wipe them out, and shove them off the face of the earth. Smash the dirty red scum! Kick him in the teeth where it hurts! Kill! 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 Filthy bastard commies! I hate them! I hate them! Ah!
Cheese ready?
Kind of.
Miss Fume was about to fall victim of the dreaded international Chinese communist conspiracy. Yes, these fanatical fiends, under the leadership of the so-called Mao Zedong, had caught Miss Fume off guard for one brief but fatal moment. And destroyed her. Just as they are ready to go anytime, free men anywhere waver in their defense of democracy.
Yes, once again, American defense proves its effectiveness against international communism. Using this diagram of a tooth to represent any small country, we can see how international communism works by eroding away from the inside. When one country or tooth falls victim to international communism, its neighbors soon follow. In dentistry, this is known as the domino theory. But with American defense, the decay is stopped before it starts. And that's why 9 out of 10 small countries choose American defense.